How about this? Researchers have developed a harmless bacteria strain which can get rid of your dog's bad breath. That's big for you, Will. You got to get Otis on the program.
Sure, yeah.
Team at the University of Arizona have developed a cure for bad breath in dogs. Bacteria were modified to emit pleasant smells like pears and mint. The bacteria eliminated foul breath and also released the pleasant smell for dog owners. And the new bacteria strand is harmless, and it lasts for up to 2 hours. This was interesting. We looked this up recently because we got so many damn dogs in this place. It's 17 dogs over here.
Yeah.
It's not actually 17, but. And Jack was talking about the tooth problems with the small dogs, and I was like, I wonder what that is. My dog has no problems, right?
Yeah.
And so I was curious. I was like, was it just the age or what's going on? And age obviously can contribute.
You got to brush them.
No, but there's certain type of dogs. I don't know if you remember this conversation. Certain type of dogs are more prone than others. And what it has to do with is the amount of space they have between teeth and whether or not the food's going to get trapped in there. And so bigger dogs, less likely because there's going to be more space between teeth. And I looked at my dog's teeth. I was looking in there and she's got tons of space. She's got huge teeth for a small dog.
Yeah.
So maybe when it comes to food decaying in there and causing problems, it's not as big of a deal. So the small breeds, you can look this up. Certain breeds are far more impacted than others, and therefore they need more of an oral program with the more consistent brushing and the rest of it. But then you have this option over here where you grab this bacteria, you slam it in there, and you got, for the time being, you got 2 hours worth of pears or mint.
So it eats away the stuff that's in between.
No. It just lives in there and emits this nice odor.
Oh.
It's like perfume, Willie, dude.
Nah.
They're currently improving the duration of the product for up to for 8 or 12 hours. The bacteria strand will be added to treats and dog food. So it's just always there. You don't even have to think about it. Now, let me ask you this. It's a key question for you. Your options consist of, at the moment, pear or mint. Which one is going to be Otis's breath of choice?
Can I pass on it?
Nope, you cannot pass. You got to pick one or the other.
I would say maybe pear, because mint is kind of weird.
It's overwhelming. It's a strong one.
For a dog?
It's a strong one.
Yeah. Well, you.
I love mint, though.
No, yeah, fan of mint.
I love mint and mint products.
Sure.
Mint items. I like mint chocolate. I like mint chocolate chip. I like mint ice cream.
Yeah.
I like mint. I like mints. I like mint gum.
Yeah.
I mean, humans do mint all the time for breath.
But dogs, though.
Pear, on the other hand, it's not a lot of pear.
Yeah.
I love pear, though.
But it's pears are very a subtle scent.
I'll slice up a pear.
There you go.
You kidding me right now? Let me tell you what my no-no used to do, all right? You slice a pear and you get a really aged Parmesan or something like that. And and I'm talking, you eat it just like that, as it is. You slice up the cheese, or you even break the pieces off if you want to do it old school like he would do it.
Okay. Not in a salad, though.
No, get out of here. No, you can do it in a salad, it's fine. But I'm just saying, you have the red wine, you have Italian red wine, you have a Brunello or a Barolo, something like this.
Okay.
Then you have your pear, sliced in pieces, but you slice it as you eat it. So it stays on. You eat it as you slice it. And you take a piece of cheese as well. But it's got to be a nice, aged, proper cheese as well. Parmesan. Or, I'm trying to think of some of the other varieties, but you know these Italian cheeses.
Yeah.
Right, well.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to go do that.
All right.